You're planning to get pregnant and all the honeymoon phase is over, but yet you have not seen the magical two pink lines. So, now a very beautiful ritual. In this video, I am going to talk about connecting with the full moon. The full moon, which is associated with the feminine energy, our cycles, and also creation. You must have seen the moon influences the ocean tides. There is high tide, low tide. Similarly, it also affects our emotions, intuitions, and even our reproductive rhythms. We as women particularly share a deep connection with the moon. How many of you all love the moon? You love watching the full moon, even if it's a crescent shaped moon, you appreciate it. It is such a beautiful connection which we have as a woman with the feminine energy with the moon. And also we share a connection. Our phases also mirror the moon phases, also mirror the menstrual cycle. And that is why practicing a full moon meditation can be a very powerful way to enhance fertility, to balance our hormones, and also cultivate emotional well-being. So now let's talk about why is full moon special for fertility. In our ancient traditions, the full moon was seen as a time of peak feminine energy, and it symbolized manifestation, new beginnings, and many women would ovulate around the full moon and menstruate around the new moon, which reflected a natural rhythm which aligned with the lunar cycle. So when we tune in and try to, get into touch with this energy, we also support our reproductive health. It can also reduce stress and strengthen our connection to our body's natural wisdom. Now, there are a lot of Bollywood songs based on the moon. And or they say moon holds a lot of mysteries. Also, moon is compared to dark the bay on the face. So, perfect aligning with a woman's power to actually create life, the magic which the moon holds. So, let us discuss a few benefits of full moon meditation now. One very beautiful benefit is it helps in balancing our hormones. The meditation will reduce cortisol. Cortisol is the stress hormone, and it will support the hormonal balance, which will create an ideal environment for conception. Second, it also enhances our emotional well-being. This everything what I'm talking about is to be done on the full moon. When you sit, connect with the energies of the moon in a moonlight during the full moon, you can actually benefit from even 10 minutes of connecting to the full moon on full moon day. So the second is enhancing emotional well being. Fertility struggles can bring emotional ups and downs. Every month, when you're trying for a pregnancy and then you feel disappointed because you can't see the two pink lines and you're unable to get pregnant. So, once you start meditating, it is going to promote inner peace, self love, and also a lot of emotional release. It's also going to improve sleep patterns. Restful sleep is essential for reproductive health. With lot of injections treatments going on, at times it becomes difficult to sleep in the night. So even if you are undergoing a treatment like IUI or IVF, doing this meditation is very beneficial. Meditating under the full moon's glow can regulate melatonin levels and also promote deep sleep. Fourth benefit is it strengthens the intuition. The full moon heightens our intuition and helping women trust their body signals, cycles, and also the deep inner wisdom which our womb has, the deep inner wisdom which our body already has. So it strengthens your intuition when you connect and strengthens the body's inner wisdom. Next, it boosts energy and vitality. A full moon meditation can cleanse energetic blockages and allow positive energy to flow freely in the body. A lot of energetic blockages or doubts and fears keep creeping up when we are in the trying to conceive phase. So when you start connecting with the full moon, it will give a positivity and is which is very crucial for the reproductive health. And just like, you know, love and passion, meditating under the full moon can fuel body with positivity and hope. Okay, so let us undergo a small ritual. I'll give you tips on how you can do a small simple full moon meditation for fertility, or if you're trying to conceive or to balance your hormones. Find a quiet space, either in the outdoors or near a window, where you can see the full moon or bask under the moonlight glow. And you can also light some incense sticks or a diya or any essence candle, any perfumed candles. And next step is setting an intention. Sit with your closed eyes, place your hands either over your womb or your heart, and whisper a loving affirmation. I trust in the wisdom of my womb, and I'm open and ready to receive new life. My body is fertile, healthy, and ready to receive a new life. Set an intention, basking under the moonlight, and keep saying this affirmation to you again and again. I am ready and open to receive the magic of new life. I trust in the wisdom of my womb. Yeah. So then the next step is take a deep breath through your nose. You can do box breathing, count at four, hold at count of four, and exhale through your mouth for four counts. And feel your body relaxing with each breath. Get in touch, connect with your breath as you visualize the moonlight, and imagine the soft light of the moon gently bathing your body, gently flowing into your body. And imagine that beautiful moonlight feeling your womb with warmth, healing, and renewal. And if you have any worries, fears, doubts arising, acknowledge them and visualize them just dissolving into the beautiful moonlight. Trust that your body is a perfect divine timing. The body knows its best, and trust your body for its perfect divine timing. And lastly, just placing your hands over your heart, thank the moon for its guidance and energy. Express gratitude for the beautiful moon, for its beautiful feminine energy, for blending into us and guiding us with its energy. So now, a full moon meditation you can do on every full moon. You'll open the calendar, there'll be a full moon on every month. So you can note in your mobiles or your alarms, like put a alarm saying this is a full moon day and do the meditation. Another step is join our community where we are going to do a full moon meditation on every full moon day in the moonlight. So come be a part of a community and the part of full moon meditations, which will happen on every full moon day. And let me tell you this, a full moon meditation is not just about fertility. It is about connecting with your inner self, embracing self-care, embracing your femininity, embracing yourself as a female, and honoring the natural cycles of life. So either whether you're trying to get pregnant or trying to conceive or going through any treatments like IUI, IVF, or simply you want to seek balance, peace, then this sacred practice can bring you clarity, peace, and a sense of hope. Each full moon is a chance to start fresh, release our fears, and welcome new possibilities. So, from this month, take a few moments to bathe in the moonlight, breathe deeply, and trust the magic within you and connect to that Chanda Mama and beautiful song Chandaniya Chup Jana Re, just like day follows night, and again the night follows into day. Believe that your dreams too will find their perfect time to shine. For more information on our channel, our community for women who are trying to create the magic in their womb, check the link in the bio and DM us at the given email address for more, for knowing more. Thank you. Do like, subscribe, and share this with all women so that we all get in the feminine energies of moon to us. Thank you so much for watching this video.